Hi there, in this video so I'm going to show you how you can connect up your PlayStation 5 controller, your DualSense controller, onto your Samsung TV. So what we have to do is we have to put this into pairing mode and also go into Bluetooth settings on the TV. So let's go into Bluetooth settings to begin with. I'm going to be using the arrows here and the middle button to enter. So go over to the left hand side and go down to settings and then go over to the right hand button and go to Bluetooth devices and press enter. Now this is going to show us what's already connected on to Bluetooth. So we're now going to put our controller into pairing mode. To do that, we're going to hit this button here and the PlayStation button at the same time. It's much easier because this controller is off to hold down this button now, because if you hit this one first, it's not going to work. So hold that one down first, then hold down this one here until it starts flashing, and then it will be in pairing mode. There we go. That's in pairing mode now. And we need to go back to the remote control here and move up and down to see if you now have something called a wireless controller, which we do. We're now going to press enter. So watch the light change. We're pressing enter now, and we're going to say pair and connect, and this should now go to solid blue. There we go, solid blue, and we can watch a tutorial on it. I highly recommend watching that tutorial because it will tell you interesting things. For example, we can turn off the TV by simply holding down the left and right analog stick. You can do volume by moving up and down the right analog stick. So I'm going to go to close. You can already see it is now connected, and we're moving our way around here. So that is it. That is how to connect up your controller via the Samsung TV settings. Okay, and now watch this. If I hold these two down, it will turn off the TV and the controller about 5 to 10 seconds after the TV is turned off. There you go, TV is now off. Give it a little bit of time and the controller will turn itself off. There we go. Thanks for watching.